Our private client services team is recognized for providing clear and practical legal advice to our clients in the United Kingdom and Ghana. Expert help with will writing, probate or estate administration. Our will writers and probate lawyers can act for you to obtain grant of probate and carry out estate administration on your behalf. The probate takes place after someone dies. If there's a will, the named executor is responsible for ensuring that the estate of the deceased is secured, assessing its value and paying any inheritance tax. If there is no will, the intestate and inheritance rules require similar responsibilities. Our lawyers offer strategic and practical solutions to the issues which clients face, whether it's in relation to succession planning, will preparation, probate and the administration of estates, immigration and visas, contentious family or probate disputes, administering estates often with inheritance cross-border issues, international trust advice including residence, domicile issues, wealth preservation, a fast, efficient service from SRA-regulated professionals, transparent pricing. BWF Solicitors, let us take care of probate.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340 or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
A successful customary proxy marriage application without leaving the UK. Case brief. The client came to the UK in January 2023 as a dependent partner of a skilled worker. Unfortunately, the relationship broke up because her husband had met another woman. The husband reported their relationship breakdown to the Home Office, and our client was sent a revocation letter, giving her 60 days to find another visa route or leave the UK. She met her childhood boyfriend, who had been pursuing her since she arrived in the UK. Challenge. They decided to get married. However, because the time available to her was short, We advised them to ask their family members in Ghana to undergo a Ghanaian customary marriage. The family subsequently contracted the marriage, and it was registered at the district marriage registry in Ghana. Neither our client nor her husband was present at the ceremony. In November last year, 2025, she brought her application for us to send to the Home Office. Strategy and solution. Under UK immigration rules and case law, Ghanaian customary law marriages are recognized as valid if the process complied with Ghanaian law, even if the man and woman were not present at the marriage ceremony. We prepared a detailed representation and submitted her application. Process and timeline. She enrolled her biometrics on the 12th of December 2025. Outcome. Our client was granted 2.5 years as a spouse on the 1st of February 2026. Nugget Ghanaian customary law, proxy, marriage, is recognized in the UK, even if the parties were not present at the ceremony. The process must follow Ghanaian law, including registration and certification. Always seek legal advice from professionals who understand the laws of England and Ghana. Facing complex immigration issues? Contact BWF Solicitors today.
493-7340 or 077-127-61884.
Rainbow Radio. 0.4 FM and DAB+. Rainbow Radio. 0.4 FM. DAB+.
OPD, good morning.
Thursday na emirasun ya betwetwe nkomo yene BWF solicitors eba betwetwe nkomo mesoro bibia wo bia no tweben wo fidi no na yemfa nsame wo hɔ ndene yemfa na meni kofa bae opanyine pa wo da dwumede ya no Uncle Ben ankasa na eba betwetwe nkomo nti na wa prepare questions na ya de ho no so e de abro mesoro say bomodin ko Facebook sisi a na ko search Rainbow Radio UK Rainbow Radio UK na hwedwumede ni bi live sanso so na be fa akonya we anso so asan ko Facebook wa na wa search BWF solicitors ewo yam Facebook eno so stream ho live and pay obenya dwumede ni bi no wa hwe wo ko website so no so obenya dwumede ni bi ho na wa hwe wo pay omo informations a lawyers omo ni omo ye dwuma ho wo pese wo hu se de mo si bo dwuma ni na wo ko website wa ebusia wotimi enya omo information ni bi na wotimi everyday na bibia setimi akama ntana pay BWF solicitors in no what you think man can be na krado ahoma so mean sem reason sem ready be kopa na yan fan komono en hwehwe so na yan hwe de be betumi aye ene anope Angbe, good morning.
Good morning, OPD. Let to say.
Angbe, good morning.
Good morning. What's your name?
Let me check him sound. Okay, I think so. Angbe, good morning.
Good morning, OPD.
Yeah. Lopato bia woko de.
Adum na moso e.
Nyame adum yanso ho ye papa na megidi se workers ban lawyers engineers even obi o ye dmo ho bia na pe megimdi se mu nyina obi a ho ye anape.
OPD anope die otwedi ampon nyame adaro makwa yetimi asore ama yene yenuanom Ghana for eba bedi nkita ho na megidi se Dr. Mark ne na pam for OPD Irene mo amokeka ho Ghana ene London nyina ewo DAB YouTube Facebook website bebia I hope so mo nyina mo so mo hoye
Fantastic. Yes, you who you
kasa ya
papa papa.
kakra
Mm.
wa mu ache nti
Last week I na me catch Uncle Frank say me ton catch nti. On kan just me tia. Yeah.
ayɛ nokorɛ
Yeah.
ɛyɛ nokorɛ
Yeah.
yɛda ase na anɔpɛ nso yɛbɛfa
Yeah.
kwanya nso de akyia ghanafoɔ na yɛada wɔn ase sɛ mo nyinaa bɛka yɛn ho na
Yeah.
anɔpɛ yi yɛbɛdi dwuma na dwuma a yɛba abɛdi no sɛbe nneɛma bi a ɛyɛ a ɛnkɔ yie no ɛno na yɛde ɛba abɛto dwa nti obi anɔpɛ yi deɛ yɛhyɛ wo nsa.
All right, and a pedia shamonsa na just Jumedinana, ya shasi, and until Miss Ross said, didn't kakano. Any Uncle Ben ever to chunkum was. I believe some Jackasana is a media Uncle Ben or the room update in the Ohon, the Ohon, or the Nia Camodia man, the Nia Bro, into Miss Row. Master, now what Ben will feed you no questions in a bombardina chicken before, but always send him. Now, so, Uncle Ben Cassana, Uti, the customer, wash and ask more kind of one who are wash and over fast to seat belts and they say, Viage my come on. But Mudding, none the page from which I kind of from. Na mundu dwumadi mfa mo esan se ba na se mblemu a o ma bin pa na o mbo o no so tumi gina na senta ne pe me do mo number bema na from na fa o bi sa de to nim na chire no menya mbre na adade ne me do mo ho adan side and e de amount but modern na from Uncle Ben and I said BWF solicitors and pay e wo 020 84937340 02084937340 or 7 sisters who feel free underground train station where the original plan of friend you have before and pay but more than a book appointment and sana I relate to them. My main call me boss or Uncle Ben na feel young quarter chunkumo and give an epimedy if you didn't show on some major microphone ammo and a pemudi in fahing na update to crowd then or na pay you.
Yo, OPD, anɔpɛ yi deɛ, baabi a yɛde bɛhyɛ aseɛ ɛyɛ information a aba. Anɔpɛ yi mobɛhu a, sɛ mohwɛ right wing newspapers na Mirror, Daily Mail, Daily Express. Wɔn nyinaa sɛ Keir Starmer, sɛ nsesan a ɔpɛ sɛ ɔde ba no, Labourfoɔ ama ne ho akyerɛ no papapapapapapa. Nti si a ɔdwen ho yie paa. Wobɛhu a mayɛ video koraa sisi ɛda YouTube a na mɛka akyerɛ yɛ nuanom a wɔbaa ha sɛ yɛse ebia from next couple of months no wɔba sesa law no sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a nka mo a within 5 years na moanya indefinite leave no wɔba abɛsesa akɔ 10 years. Edin a wɔde ato no ɛyɛ end settlement. Na kyerɛ sɛ settlement a ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ adwuma anaa woya biribi na wodi nya. Bibi a ya earn no kyerɛ sɛ wayɛ effort nti wo earn income kyerɛ ka sɛ earned settlement a na kyerɛ sɛ bibi a wode effort abɛm wode ahoɔden akɔm na wanya na no na ɔmo bɛka sɛ yɛ maame Shabana Mahmood na maame no deɛ menim sɛ ne papa mo amofi Pakistan no sɛ ɔmo ayɛ no bibi o sɛ dan o asɛ deɛ hyɛ da nkɔ yie papa na ne nneɛma no bi wɔ hɔ a although sɛ ɔ try so ɔbɛyɛ a bit tough no ayɛ a ntwa sɛbe care workers a ɔmo baa ha from 2000 2001 2002 no ɔmo baa no yɛka kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ ɔmo baa 5 years ana ɔmbɛnya indefinite leave yɛso yɛnim sɛ ɔno tumi sesa nti wode pɛ sɛ ɔde kɔ 10 years a that it's up to you yɛdeɛ nkanyɛ yɛ problem but nipa no a wode no ahyehyɛ ama no aba ha on 5 years no adɛn na wobɛka kyerɛ ne sɛ ɔno nso no wode no wobɛkɔ 10 years ɛne na ama labourfoɔ bu afu paa labourfoɔ sɛ wontumi ne obi nhyehyɛ agreement anɔpa sɛ 5 years na awia wakɔka kyerɛ ne sɛ ɛnyɛ 5 na yɛ 10 na mmom ne ɛyɛ saa na saa British sense of justice and a fair play and a fairness no ɛwɔ because biribi a yɛyɛ biara no wobɔ kɔkɔ enti wobɛtumi a deɛ wopɛ sɛ woyɛ no deɛ yɛate aseɛ but memfa nstarte ɔmo a ɔmo wɔ ha dada ti date na wode ba no ka ne sɛ after that date no obi a ɔbɛba biara no ɛyɛ 10 years na kyerɛ sɛ nipa no kotua no visa fee no ɔba a na onim sɛ saa na teɛ ampa wohwɛ a ɔmo de biribi baa a sɛbe obi wɔ ha na ɔsɔkye ɛkɔ care route a ɛyɛ 6135 6136 a wontumi mfa wo kun no wɔ ba a wawo no nka ho wɔ ha ɛno koraa so hwɛ a ntwa yie ebi na nkɔmo ba bɛyɛ a labourfoɔ Ndra ɛne ne nansa Angela Rayner ɔbaa bi asɛbe ne ho adin yie a n'ani so ɛhyɛ papapapapapa ne biribi ya te sɛ Margaret Thatcher bɔno na school no na wɔnhyɛ da nkɔ ne yie but n'ani ɛde ɔde yɛ papa no twitwi fam kakra nti ama yɛ papa no abɔ brem ama ɛnɛ no yɛate sɛ wɔka sɛ ebia ɛnya mmaa yɛbaa yɛbɛma mo ate ebia mo a mowɔ ha dada no ɛnka mo ebia mo a mowɔ ha dada no saa ne yɛreka yɛsɛ nipa no ɔwɔ ha dada no up to time a wɔbɛyɛ decision no ɛno deɛ ɔno deɛ ni sɛ ɛka no because ɔde kɔka no a na wɔsɛe no deɛ bio deɛ aba mo a mowɔ care sector moyɛ sponsors mokɔfa nkurɔfoɔ ba mesrɛ mo monhwɛ ne yie paa deɛ yɛhu in the background because yɛhwɛ care businesses no bebree so ade a yɛhu ne sɛ mo a montua workers no momma ɔmo wɔ hours no ɔmo astarte frɛ mu nyinaa nti wɔ hɔ a ne asɛne o email yɛsɛ fa 6 months pay slips bra for obiara a wo sponsor de bia na wode ba a na ɔmo ahwɛ mu ɔmo hwɛ mu a na ɔmo ayiyi ɔmo a wontua ɔmo ka ne yie ɔmo a wontua ɔmo kakra ɔmo a ɔmo ɔmo hours na ɔmo abisa wo sɛ adan na ɛti sei case law bi aba high court ne sɛ deɛ home office yɛ na yɛ mmara so ama memahu bebree business kɛseɛ bi paa ɔwɔ Ghana ni business a ɔwɔ Enfield ɔmo agye ne business afiri ne nsam men bu m'ani koraa ne nkurɔfoɔ ɔde ɔmo aba ha a wagye ɔmo atena yɛ over 350 sisi ɔmo nyinaa ɔmo adwuma abɔ nti yɛsrɛ mo adwumafoɔ no monyɛ mo adwuma no yie na de bia meka ne sɛ law no nyɛ mo adwuma nti ɛwɔ sɛ wofa lawyer a ɔyɛ good na ɔsupporto te sɛ na wobie care home a wofa HR department wofa accountant ɔhwɛ no saa na nka mo license no momfa lawyer papa na ɔnkɔmhwɛ mo because ntwa sɛ wobɛba akɔfa obi aba kurom ha sɛ wobaboa no bia wayɛ adwuma do 4 years nka ka 1 year na nka wanya indefinite leave na sisi a no yɛagye wo license no which means sɛ wɔ sɛ ɔkɔpɛ obi foforɔ nti monhwɛ new law a home office de aba no sɛ ɔmo frɛ mo a adeɛ a ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔmo hwɛ no sɛ motua ka yie nti si a no ɔmo hu sɛ hɔ na problem no wɔ ɔmo sɛ wontua ka yie a ɔmbɛgye wo license high court nso ama ɔmo tumi sɛ deɛ ɔmo yɛ no yɛ ne nokorɛ so ebiom English no from next year March ɛkɔ B2 speaking and listening for the normal route no for skilled worker route deɛ speaking listening reading and writing 4 ne nyinaa kɔ B2 bi mo wɔ B2 dada but for families for skilled workers dependent ɔmo nyinaa ɛkɔ B2 mesrɛ mo wonim sɛ ɔborɔfo nka na ɔborɔfo no nkyɛ da nyɛ papa a na yɛ JSS anaa SS a kɔpɛ school bi kɔpɛ school kɔ deɛ advice a mede ma obiara ne sɛ me maame wanhyɛ da nkɔ school meka sɛ wanhyɛ da nkɔ school school no wankɔ bi koraa ɛnso sɛ bi ohyia me papa a ɔyɛ krakye ɔyɛ engineer no ɔkaa sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ne yere timi ho akenkan asɛm a meka ne a wɔ mi hɔ nti wobɛhwɛ a saa taa na me maame wadi ebi me papa de ne kɔ school ama me maame kɔsua sɛneɛ kenkan sɛneɛ ka borɔfo sɛneɛ twerɛ sɛneɛ ade nti me maame na ɔyɛ adwuma wɔ Makɔla na ɔkɔkɔ ase kɔfa nneɛma bibie ni hɔ a ɔka kyerɛ na ɔnte aseɛ ana ɔntimi nka ana addition bie ni hɔ a ɔde ma na ɔntimi nyɛ ana ɔtimi twerɛ ne din ɛtimi twerɛ alphabet saa na wo so kɔ school a wobɛtumi akenkan wei na metoma Ghanafoɔ last week Friday yɛhyia Ghanafoɔ wobɛyɛ almost about 350 ɛwɔ Zoom so ne yɛyɛ education mo a moyɛ entrepreneur no a mopɛ adwuma ayɛ no sɛ wo so nimadeɛ a wobɛtumi ate online school na wote twi ne nkrane a yɛgbe ne deɛ keka ho no na wo so wokyerɛ Ghanafoɔ adeɛ na nka wo so wagye kakra na abɛyɛ side job mesrɛ mo because woantwa a ɛmfa wobɛ renew no saa yɛnim sɛ renewal no nso ne bo ɛden sen indefinite leave sɛ ne bɛyɛ a ɛnkɔ ha madwene the final one nso yɛsrɛ mo mmaa no a mowowo no a mo boys no ɛnhyɛ da nnim abrabɔ mu nkɔlaa no papa no a ɛnɛ yɛgyegye British passport no mayɛ video mmienu my live program back on. Obano ohia British passport. Opesa oye wasetena Obano ohia British passport. Enti sa wohwe na yese ko na koye DNA na wo religion ene wo cultural practices ni bi emmoa se wo be DNA a memfa wasem nko because on beka se koye DNA. Yes, material law no so muntimi nka se koye DNA no kra. Omo a law na ka se omuntimi mbisa se koye DNA. But law no nso say passport no enye right, a discretion. Bibi a discretion biara no obetimi aka se na mmom niema na wo de aba a kire yen se wo ba no ne papa ni no yen no yen hyeda ngi ntum papa enti odo se DNA nye compulsory no mesremo mo pa mo nye DNA mra na no mo ba a ene be ma ye ho adwe yen na ehu se ampa ade no eye no kore mesremo British passport for akola se wonim se mo wo religion bi mo wo culture bi mo wo niema bi a mo ye a enti no muntimi nye DNA a menka se nya ne papa onye sa na bekan me say because obi wo ho a owo culture bi obi wo ho a owo religion bi ma menka asem kiro enra papa bi ba ha over Ivory Coast watena ha 22 years waware 14 years one oba na wo ne ba na di 4 years papa ne nya ne British citizenship 2014 enti ne ba no British me catch ne say ose obi visitors application man ne ba ne refuse and I'm sure there be ne ba ne British enti eni so yes sir and ose application omo ye no mo ka say ne ba no kra no omo njindi ana me catch so okay yenko ye DNA Ivory Coast yi onya Ghana ni wudi masema ka kire me ose there be person be ye DNA wa ware oba no 14 years wudi masema ka kire ose lawyer me ti kromo ha oba na ti Ivory Coast me ka say wakobo adwaman na me ba me do no awadi 4 years no me ko ye DNA na e ka say nya me ba na me de fa he na me meja no do ana ase de ti lawyer me de ya na me mpe DNA ase ti DNA no enye nkrofo bebree a omonye no enye so omonye because akola na nye omo ba o omonye because one on ti DNA na ase two what is DNA no etimi ye faulty because we catch and say 99.3% or say 0.7% they say betimi e faili aya no kwan so
yeah it's true yeah
me client be ye DNA ama unfortunately akola no yese nya ne ba me office ha aha boy no border and asema American I'm telling you yes starting is soon me no ka say other so mental health for nsem this is about 6 years ago that's what nsem now who read the home office guidance notes almost say obi the DNA ba na nye papa no ba munye very careful some more papa na mane
okay
oyene enya de ketwa o enti so bisa onye DNA na bia obo bibi nti ose onye DNA no enti na America say opese wo oba na waba ha na woni kun na wabehia boy bi na one wanyem na unim say yakase monko ye DNA na wonko ya memfa wasam nko British passport so ko wun ya British passport na what they apply for parenthood ama 2.5 years unya akola no birth certificate ne papa no passport copy e kire so ya British anaasɛ ne share code anaasɛ ne e-visa kyerɛ sɛ ɔwɔ indefinite stay anaa ne e-visa kyerɛ sɛ ɔyɛ EU ni or settled status saa nneɛma mmienu wei birth certificate and proof of father's settlement or British citizenship ɛno kyerɛ sɛ ɔba no ɔyɛ British under section 11 of the British Nationality Act wohia DNA wohia British passport sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a British passport for no nkɔ haw ɛno nansa girl bi a ɔsɛn me text message ɔsɛ daddy mintimi na mintimi ndidi mintimi nyɛ na mesu saa because ɔmra interview ana me ka jenza interview no ma no nkɔ ɔbɛkɔ a ɔno nko a ɔbɛkɔ papa no nkɔ bi because papa no nti kromo a akɔtena Ghana da na ɔmbɛyɛ interview na papa no bɛdu ha minim sɛ ebisa no question ɔbɛtoto apa so
ɔbɛtoto apa so
ka kyerɛ sɛ ɔno nkɔ bi mu kora wɔ hɔ ɔmo application na ɔmo ayɛ dada ɔmo de ba ya withdraw application no ama yɛayɛ ade bi wɔ akyiri ama ɛnɛ nkɔlaa no British aban atwerɛ yɛ aka kyerɛ sɛ nkɔlaa no yɛ British the passport office can ɔmo mfa ntom ɔmo de ɔmo agye atom sɛ akɔlaa no yɛ British nti ɔhema menkɔgye British passport wo ne lawyer nkasa wonhia British passport ma wo ba no agye sɛ wonim sɛ wokun no anaa akɔlaa no papa no yɛsi yɛnyɛ DNA a ɔbɛyɛ because nyɛ bɛrima biara na ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ DNA nti wei ne update a mede brɛ yɛ nua
Good. Update with the him. Update you is topic of the day because the audio playing say so we're still live on Rainbow 92.4 FM Ebusia and then Uncle Ben any and then at the update in the brain na yɛbɛtie akɔ topic of the day na afei yɛde no so ɛde abrɔ ntimi so ebi a wo bi asɛde me di nkankan no wokɔ BWF solicitors a ɔmo bɛboa wo na wɔn krata asɛm no etumi egyina ne nan so na wɔn so wotumi etu anamo a wɔsɛ wotumi tu ɛwɔ UK mountain so nti me nsɛm bɛ san sɛ mmerɛ de bi kɔ nti me de mmerɛ ne mank ben na afei ɔde topic of the day no so de abɛn na afei no yɛho bibi yɛde yɛn other side no so bɛfa so Uncle Ben membrɛ na afei no one mu nso awie de na kyɛ sɛ fa yɛn ti sim na yɛnhwɛ na topic of the day no afei no yɛnwura dawrama
yo me nua OPD anɔpa yi deɛ topic a yɛde ba no sɛ wohu sɛ yɛde topic bi ba na kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ problems a yɛhu ɛwɔ community nim ɛne nti na yɛde saa topic ba no ɔsɛ when is a genuine and subsisting relationship required under the immigration rules when is a genuine and subsisting relationship required under the immigration rules. Aseɛ kyerɛ ne sɛ dabɛn anaa dɛn nti ana woyɛ application a na wogyina ɔbaa so anaa bɛrima so a yɛpɛ sɛ yɛhu sɛ mpra no a motwe no anaa ma wareɛ no ɛyɛ aware pa anaa sɛ ɛyɛ nokorɛ. Enti wobɛti a yɛfrɛ biribi yɛfrɛ no sham marriage yɛfrɛ biribi yɛfrɛ no marriage of convenience ana yɛfrɛ biribi yɛfrɛ no fake marriage. Enti sham bogus anaasɛ marriage of convenience. Now, who read the case law now? Explain ni nyinaa adeɛ a ɛkyerɛ. Me emphasis ɛnɛ ɛyɛ paragraph 6 of the immigration rules. And in the define adeɛ a ɛyɛ marriage of convenience. Marriage of convenience, so we share law no very carefully. Ɛyɛ biribi a sɛbe ɛha adwene kakra. Nti wohwɛ normally no ɔmo nti a meyɛ wei yɛ ɔmo wɔ skilled ɔmo ba ha students a ɔmo ne ɔmo yere na ɔmo ne kun ɔmo ɛkɔ 2 year post study anaasɛ graduate route anaasɛ si akora de 1.5 years mobɛhu sɛ nkurɔfoɔ bebree na moyɛ application a ɔmo refuse because nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ a ntɔ yie mɛma nneɛma no ba mpɛ sɛ me explain it. Home office genuine and subsisting relationship a requirement nti sɛ wopɛ sɛ wogye asetena wɔ ha ɛwɔ sɛ wokyerɛ sɛ wawareɛ no ɛte ase anaasɛ ɛwɔ hɔ ana 2 awareɛ no yɛ aware pa anaa mpenatwe no yɛ aware because nyɛ aware nko a na yɛde yɛ ɛtumi de mpenatwe sɛ wo ne obi atwe mpena for 2 years na wɔ evidence a wobɛtumi de ayɛ. The second part no ɛyɛ o circumstance a wɔde ɛyɛ saa de no wobɛhu sɛ home office nneɛma a wɔhwɛ no sɛ woyɛ biribi ma wode abrikyi immigration na ana nti factors a wɔhwɛ ɛyɛ nneɛma bebree ebi ɛyɛ documentary evidence ebi ɛyɛ evidence a wɔn gather ebi ɛyɛ personal statement and supporting letters ebi ɛyɛ nneɛma a wo fill wo form no wakɔtwerɛ na OPD de saa sɛ ne sɛ yɛn nuanom bebree wɔ hɔ a wɔyɛ application a wobɛhu sɛ bɛrima no te Timbuktu na ɔbaa no te Omua Fankyene bra. Problem no sɛ ɔbɛrima no te Timbuktu na ɔbaa no te Omua Fankyene bra. Na wosan de kɔhyɛ form no so sɛ home office yi mete Omua Fankyene bra ba me kun deɛ ɔte Timbuktu. Asɛm a woka kyerɛ ɔmo no sɛ mepaakyɛw kurom akora nyɛ me debut mu fa me nkɔ fie. Because say subsisting and genuine relationship. Subsisting is our real no. Now what to go more fanchina bra. ana obema na tete Timbuktu a moye de hu moye de ebobra more evidence a kyerɛ sɛ mo every week every day. How often? Or ticket, or travel, or train ticket, or car, or petrol, or bus, or ebi kra for plane. You call Birmingham ne Manchester. Oh, yene Mr. Mo na mo ha mo ho. Oh, your application. I was say on your ban Birmingham. My address I back.
Yeah.
Say I back one. It raises suspicion. In the Immigration Act of 2014. Section 40, Section 13, Section 28. Ne nyinaa kyerɛ nneɛma a tumi a aban no wɔ. Nti wonya de different address to o form no so pɛ. Na wopɛ sɛ refuse your application. In fact, ɔmo a yɛ refuse ɔmo dodoɔ no nyinaa ɛyɛ obi yɛ care, obi ɛyɛ skilled worker. Ɔmo atete ɔmo mu because ɔmo de adwuma nko ara na ɔmo baa sɛ ɔmo bɛyɛ. Ɔmo ni omu ni address baako if you omo wo mma ana mma wo mkra nkola no ne omo maame ne te ana nkola ne omo papa ne te na maame ne ti baabi no ye adwuma na ebi abe wa ye kra no mu hu omo wo de saa de ne bi kɔ a interview kra yam free be refuse straight away. So wo wa ha na wo ne oyere wo ho a enye obia no be a joint account.
Yeah.
But for immigration purposes, no, be a joint account. Joint account, no, sir, Chromo had the Sabi in your bema bia and a one thing. Until be or the kakraba, now ban so the kakraba. And when I was good. Until all the air, ebia bema or the 80%, or ban the 20%. Me whom may be almost 50-50. Be musu yano, 20-80. Mr. So 10-90 o 50-50 ni nyinaa nkɔfa akɔ. Advice a mede ma menka so bia o me se wonim sɛ wobɛyɛ immigration application a because yɛfrɛ bibi yɛfrɛ no joint financial commitment. Wobɛhu sɛ wofele wo form na yɛbisa wo sɛ mowɔ joint financial commitment anaa mowɔ biribi a mo mmienu mu de mu sika yɛ anaa. Na wode kyerɛ wode joint bank account ana kyerɛ ama wa print it or bank statement. 2, tenancy. Ebetimi aye baako din, but ideally no eye mu mienu mu din a eye. Obi wo ho a no nhye da nko rented dan or to be fee. Woni nipa no nkasa na obo letter ya ye boy eye very easy, but bobi egu live program so that.
Yeah.
And to whom it may concern. Re Abia 41 Manor Park House, N12 1TD. I, Akia Tenewa, I can confirm that OPD and Mansa Menu live at this accommodation. They are lodgers and therefore do not have a tenancy agreement. Simple. When you brofo tintin bia. Mo bank statement support. Ebi a pay slip no so ideal say obemo masasa letter no. Obi also na me ye adwuma na me the address come on ebi a me ye adwuma Birmingham. Address no so me ye London. Address for postal purposes. Enti wo de ma wo employer na wo se me ye adwuma Birmingham there, but me family home London. Ontimi engineer no so nka say na me ma wadwuma because anopa ya see start 7 wo ho ono de here ne say ya adwuma waba
na waba be adwuma.
That's as simple as that. Sister we pay slip no na we pay slip address intimi nya London na wo matrimonial home enya Birmingham and I say we pay slip intimi nya Manchester na wo matrimonial home enkoye Milton Keynes because a basa na it raises suspicion. GP obi a wo kromo ha wo ye student wo ye skilled worker wo ye graduate route wa ware mun nyina monko 1 GP eye for me no eye mandatory mun nyina. Now lawyer time ben yenko GP me se mo ware a nti mo ware awie no a mo application, it can be the second one, not the first one. Because when law know about first one, or say more intention, some more better on Casamote.
Yeah.
Or first application 2.5, no. Mr. Mama mean church, na man come here confused. More mean more ntimi yes program yi. Eye more student more switch akọ graduate route. More na yeta refuse mo pa. Anansɛ student a mo switch akɔ skilled worker. Mo yere mo ne mo kunu no mo refuse o. Me say wo worry British and obi one definitely. O first 2.5 no. Yes say we show some mo better. Enti at the moment no more the money man no it may be different addresses, that's okay. But for students almost switch akɔ skilled worker and our graduate route. What do you want to know? Enti mo ko akɔgye bibi foforo a ɛwɔ sɛ mo kyerɛ sɛ for say 1 year now, only na back room as a student and our skilled worker graduate route amoko skilled worker. Only not now. It will hear sa evidence. We need evidence just a mutibum GP letter, joint bank statement, and our bank statement at the same address. More problem. Ain't the way I was some resolve no mumbisa landlord. Me hu so obi ebisa se na wa obetimi atro letter no mesrel me lawyer mitimi kan che se wa obetimi atro na mo fiera no ntebrofo na se trauma no nsan a obetimi atro ama no asan ade obeka ne se ono ne fie ne ye ne dia na the proof say fie ne ye ne dia ka ho na mo mote ho as lodgers enti money tenancy agreement no asan na odin ni oba ne din ana oba ne din ne be ma ne din abaso enti monya GP letter chese mo the same GP a confirm address monya bank statements a confirm the same address monya pay slips a confirm the same address ana monya landlord letter and tenancy agreement a confirm the same address so moye we nyina na chese mo prove say it is more likely somewhat together enti ma warrior no a genuine and subsisting relationship. Maka we nyina no home office etimi ye mistake. Ebi wo ho a mote enso osemonte. Se home office ka kire wo se wa warrior no enye papa. Ono na wo so prove se wa warrior no enye papa.
Yeah.
Sa case law tie. Case law say se home office say wa warrior no enye papa. Ono home office and wo so prove. The entire tesa na say your law no very very emphatic on what constitutes genuine relationship, marriage of convenience, sham marriage, and arranged marriage. Ni nyina wanna say we hear application now home office was suspicion. One, I was all kind of suspicion natural. Two, so suspicion no say all catcher wa I was so chira wo mra tia ojina so de ka say suspicion we nti ana meye because your friend case be your friend on Nas a 2012 citation although say a entry clearance say neka or say aban say reasonable anaasɛ ɛyɛ ɛhyɛ sɛ obi sɛ ma warrior no yɛ awarepa na ɛte ase a ɛwɔ so show biribi a friend supporting an affectionate relationship ɛwɔ so show evidence of regular contact ti wote Birmingham not to Kings how often amoba who prove sɛ what aba who prove sɛ wote fie hɔ na mo wote fie hɔ a ada na wa address wɔ Birmingham yes we adwuma wɔ Birmingham yɛte ase but we say wa address no fa Milton Keynes. Emotional support, affection and abiding interest in each other, welfare and well-being. Sa case no judge no say sa nneɛma na wanhu ne nti no ɔnyɛ satisfied say ɔma form genuine and durable relationship I show affection and companionship Affection yɛ dɛn ɛyɛ ɔdɔ. Companionship yɛ dɛn ɛyɛ nkabom. Enti wo se wowɔ ɔbaa a wogyina no so, wowɔ bɛrima a wogyina no so a, Mother's Day atwam, woma no Mother's Day card, wotɔ flowers. Wotɔ flowers a, online wowɔ receipt, fa kyerɛ. Valentine Day atwam yi, wotɔ flowers, wotɔ chocolate. Keep receipt no na fa kyerɛ. Ebi koraa atwa no photo. Mokɔ out for a meal, anaa ɔyɛ special meal bi maa mo. Ebi a sɛbe na wote sɛ yɛ mu bi ebi a occasionally no wopɛ bi a kokonte ɛna nkatenkwan. Enti that day no wayɛ kokonte ne nkatenkwan ama wo very nicely. Watu table. Woyɛ tetefoɔ no bi ɔde white napkin koraa saa akata so ama beer bi si nkyɛn anaa wine bi si nkyɛn a motwa mfoni because you're telling a story. Ɛyɛ occasion, ɛyɛ your birthday, ɛyɛ ne birthday, ɛyɛ Mother's Day, ɛyɛ Valentine's Day. Sisi akra efrɛ bibi yɛsi efrɛ no Women's Day. Women's Day, mehu sɛ you share gifts. Sorry, you share messages. Or social media. Yɛn nyinaa dodoɔ na wɔ social media. Mimi social media me de yɛ adwuma. Nkurɔfoɔ social media wɔn di kɔkɔnsa. Enti ebi akɔkɔnsa no so a wɔde aba so sɛ oh happy anniversary. Una ɔsi ɔmo ware 2023 January 1st. January 1st woba kurom a yɛnya January 1st baako saa mmiɛnsa. Then na wɔde yɛ anniversary. Then na mo yɛ wɔnyɛ hwee. Wɔn document hwee. Album wɛn. Tete no yɛtwa pictures a na nka yɛde hyɛ album. Ɛnyɛ nyame adaroma iPhone a yɛwɔ nti ɛne nneɛma bi a yɛwɔ ne social media a yɛwɔ nti no yɛ documents nyinaa wɔ hɔ. Wobɛhu sɛ obi a ɔno sɛ waware no na wobɛkɔ ne social media na ɔne bɛrima foforɔ a ɔno na ɛyɛ kɔna fast ɛwɔ so.
Yeah.
Obi bɛka sɛ ɔmo hwɛ paa. Meyɛ big star bi wɔ Ghana. Meyɛ ne case man no. Question on bisa ne sɛ wo saa nipa wei yakɔ wo social media yɛhu sɛ wo ne bɛrima bi kese. In fact, ɔmo de pictures ne brɛ. Na ɔne bɛrima mmiɛnsa ana wɔ social media ɔmo wɔ embrace a ɔmo kese. But the home office for na nhwɛ ne sɛ saa star no ɔyɛ film or act in a film.
Yeah.
Pɛsɛ mɛka sɛ ɔyɛ bɛrima na ɔyɛ ɔbaa. So I'll leave it there.
Yeah.
Na yɛ film. Enti megye film no title ɛne other scenarios ɛne transcript ana mede kyerɛ ɔmo ansa na ɔmo gye atum sɛ ɔmo betumi agyina so de ama akwadaa no ne British passport. Wo social media ɔmo hwɛ ɔmo hu because nkurɔfoɔ bebree na wo social media din ne yɛ wo din.
Yeah.
Sɛm a yɛreka ehu hia na nsɛ wobɛhu sɛ wokɔ America wofele Esther forms na wokɔgye visa yɛbisa wo sɛ wo social media account wɛn. Wo social media account a wo biara no be disclose. UK yɛn started there but ɔmo hwɛ. Mesrɛ mo sɛ wonim sɛ wɔto keka a yɛsɛ atentenhuro hyɛ wɔto a yɛnkɔhwiri gya.
Yeah.
Very careful na start to document wo nneɛma. Deɛ nti a wɔsɛ wo document wo nneɛma no sɛ home office no ansa na ɔmbɛfrɛ wo interview no na kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ so suspicious but even the slightest suspicion it may raise instant refusal. And away evidential flexibility ni hɔ. Enti sɛ ɔwɔ doubt about relationship na obetumi refuse straight away. Ebia na yɛ skilled worker ana yɛ student a switch akɔ 2 years enti wo ni right of appeal but administrative review. Administrative review kɔda hɔ 1 year. Appeal kɔda hɔ 1 year. Wobɛtwɛn 1 year. Na ebia o right to work akɔyɛ problem untimi ntu kwan o maame ana papa yare ana obi aka baabi untimi ntu kwan. Wenti na America kyerɛ wo sɛ follow nneɛma a makan mesan besi so bio. 1. Mun ɛmfa the same GP. 2. Mun use the same address ɛyɛ wɔ mo form so. 3. Mumfa joint account anaa mo bank account no nyɛ the same address. 4. Mumma mo landlord ɛntwerɛ letter ma mo sɛ mo need tenancy agreement. 5. Sɛ wonim sɛ waware 1 year aba 1 year anniversary okay menim sɛ Ghana mmarima no deɛ yɛnyɛ romantics a ba ɔbaa no wakae motor flowers bɛrima no de ne pie wowɔ ring a wohyɛ wowɔ dinner a mokɔe wowɔ da flowers online wowɔ receipt sɛ wowɔ da flowers ebi koraa wokɔ Tesco's na wokɔtɔ flowers ebi koraa wɔ hɔ a wotɔ flowers wɔ kwankyɛn enti normally no my advice sɛ fa tap Apple Pay tua because ɛbɛba wo bank statement no so wɔtwa flowers no photo ebi koraa wode kɔsii wasa so wɔdecorate no nicely wɔtwa ne nyinaa photo saa nneɛma no a moyɛ no nyinaa no o document mesrɛ wo kɔkɔnsa no nneɛma a mode social media yɛ no ɛmhyɛ da mmoa saa o pamokyɛw social media no wobɛtumi de document wopɛ sɛ wo document wo life a wobɛtumi bi mu de yɛ exercise bi mu de encourage bi mu de ma devotional messages bi mu de ma motivational messages ne nyinaa yɛ ba wobɛtumi de document wo life nso ti waware akuatene wa menkɔfa adwoa mansa nkogu social media ɛnyɛ sɛ ɔno na woni ne piepie ɛbɛka sɛ wo ne akua mansa na ayɛ application no na wakɔfa adwoa manu sɛ happy anniversary to us adwoa manu me wa ne akua mansa na ɛyɛ application no ɔmbɛtumi akɔ enti advice a mede me ɛyɛ problems a yɛhu ti yɛpɛ sɛ yɛ correct ansa na akɔ home office hɔ ti sɛ wowɔ issue bi a wobɛtumi afrɛ ne akyerɛkyerɛ mu enti OPD aha anam de bɛ
okay Uncle Ben yɛmenhyerɛ paa no nsuo man na afei no menkɔ ahoma no so na memfa yɛ studio lights no to gya anapɛ Uncle Ben aka sɛ bebree ɛde amɛn mesrɛ sɛ nkɔmmɔ a yɛde twii ebia wɔ question bi pɛ sɛ wobisa wowɔ asɛmtwerɛ bi a wopɛ sɛ wo so wode ba studio line no ɛyɛ 020 822 60484 020 822 60484 ɛna yɛ WhatsApp line no so ɛyɛ 0777 1950 989 0777 1950 989 ɛno nso ɛyɛ yɛ WhatsApp line ɛde yɛ dwudwuma na no pay wotumi afra wotumi de wo message anaasɛ audio koraa wode ba yɛbɛbɔ ɛde ama na ɛno nso akɔ yɛnim anapɛ yɛyɛ live for Rainbow 92.4 FM DAB Plaza no so saa nso na tune in anapɛ wotumi nso ahwɛ no live for Facebook wokɔ BWF Subsisting website a ɛno no nso dwumade no ɛtwa gu hɔ na anapɛ wobɛtumi anya bi nso no wahwɛ wɔ hɔ na ebi aso etumi akama menkɔ ahoma so na memfa me first call and tune afei yɛmfa nkɔmmɔ twetwe no ɛmfa nhyɛ so hello good morning
good morning
wosua wodin ne baabi akɔsɛ fo adaroma
Pastor Femina Nayao.
Okay.
Madam say Ejuma Pamo yet to educators.
Okay.
With the lawyer per be application mameba and now me na tam yawo me ban onya birth certificate dear ketwa normal handwriting no eno NFA so tamaye kwakoye passport no o mama yakoye new certificate no I may be say in this case, American application birth certificate and media said me use.
Well, first of all, no, Ghana, your transition to digital birth certificate. And so our first birth certificate na problem be any na unim say a genuine ubetimi a use eno because no ye in time and a new one now my sɛ kɔba sɛ because ɔmo ngye India na nkurɔfoɔ use birth certificate di twa ntorɔ kɔba sɛ birth certificate no wo akwadaa no nyi ansa na wokɔ gye a ayɛ ɔmo wɔ suspicion sɛ confirm relationship wobɛhu sɛ ɔmo ba bɛ refuse application na wɔ sɛ woyɛ DNA nti wowɔ old birth certificate a wobɛtumi de aka new one no yɛsure sɛ information spelling bibi a ɛwɔ so biara yɛ correct 2 yɛwɔ baptismal certificate na nsɛ nkurɔfoɔ ntaa nyɛ wɔ Ghana ba ebi a baptismal certificate ebi koraa wɔto ba ne din na wɔ photo ne bi anaasɛ ɔkɔ school testimonial ne nneɛma no ne nyinaa confirm ne din ne date of birth a wobɛtumi de ne nyinaa aka ho na corroborate yɛka sɛ biribi corroborate a kyerɛ sɛ asɛm bi na biribi ɛsi ne pi anaa ka asɔ so na ama na di mu nti wobɛtumi ayɛ no saa why.
Okay, yo, me that's it. And I'm about to my last question soon say, On application, no mu bisa akwala ne de no mu bisa say or receive ne mami a receive regular income from the parent. Which is I am sending sika more a comma mami no. But at the end of the application, it be bank statement for it. But any bank statement na enko bank account to mu MoneyGram yeah send no. Ain't no honestly I'm kind of confused there.
Mpacho a momo transfer na okogye cash.
Pacho Momo transfer.
So momo no bia momo wo statement or so. Me momo say metimi call back for the past 1 year or me ama me. Ontiminya onko MTN and Vodafone cash. Or me print statement na man. Why?
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's it. Right.
Okay, Yansu Yadasi na Yankofa next caller. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning. What's happening? So good morning. Good morning. What's up? Good morning. Okay. On to me, so young Yankofa next one. Hello, good morning.
Oh, good morning, OPD.
Blappe now, how to say?
I'm here the morning, but I'm sorry.
Nyamiadum, and let them home share from Batia, Yala, Ebefan, sir. Let me see. And I pay me into why?
Yo, I'm paying a question. This my nephew, Eko Army. Na, near no percentka, we inviting him, mammy, a bra or your graduation. Problem I want to say, mammy, last year, yes, or backroom her. Often for long beside say onim obi o UK no. Okay, say onim obia. As I say, I pay money banana. Okay, say mass na invite me. Pacho create confusion there. And I'm putting this line.
Then I buy our caucus on the mobile.
Oh, banana. Nani ni na wahana or say omrantino no so one cast in the bower.
And I maybe said, then a ma, oh, about her, said you'll be no catch your secasa only bower. Miss Dentino Casa, maybe our reason to your cancer.
Oh, no, an anchor, I mean, in anything.
Well, I mean, a visitor's visa, obey me a tribune. Why? And because I want.
I'll try when I'll be to my petition or about UK.
Na send a banner invite no ana.
Na see the invite no. But only the banner back cabo.
Na then obi ya wase wabra onware oba. Ne banner so wa heavy.
Sorry.
Yeah, I was so castle oba. Why? Na all the evidence that check oba no why?
Show you.
Oh, okay then. Yeah.
Okay. Ebeda so ho na yanko ahmaso yanko for next caller. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Hello, me patrol. Good morning. Nyame adom na mo say.
Nyame adom. Me gidi say bibia won bibia bokọ de.
Anko pa adom bibia.
Powerful. Anke Benito, me into it why?
So, my family route 10 years ni bina. Home office for message me say memory interview. Na me catch you say me nyum to. Mo catch you say na say do mo ntimi interview me. Na me wo ananka me de me ban certificate na ide aba. But my application is me so current. The same who say the me nyem no. Ne papa ye different. Intimate me di ne din aka be set no ho de akọ. Omo se me mfa no ne mbran so na o ma make decision.
Ohema then to no more for interview.
Mr. Ben.
Yes. Me say I didn't almost a bra interview no.
Uncle Ben Pacho meet.
What you mean can?
Me ba try.
Aha, home office what's no almost a bra interview.
Me ba try.
I didn't almost a bra interview.
Some application won't find mommy to mo ka say memory interview answer.
Would you now buy or you British so?
Me ba try.
Almost suspect say Obana or you British and ne papa na nya ne papa. Okay.
Omoka accept many na ambra, but me catch me chere wo say wa worry into no one person or participate to a process. When I'm a son, so 32 weeks. And Omoka send a sadia, o man no to circumstance down, but Omoka cancel interview no. Na me one me de me best me bane best certificate and I send you.
Okay, adia o me kan say almost suspect say oba penny na ugina ne so. Ne papa anya ne papa. Enti adia o mpese o mo ya ne say o me ye o interview. Normal refer my passport office. Passport office be frɛ na omo akasa mo koye DNA. Manya o metwa passport. Enti from now they kono men dwen say wo be wo foforo ma wo de kwa na ekosesa bibia ade e wo say wo plan say den na wo be ya wo di be yi sa suspicion every o and then we say you focus why I mean a good so ma cancel a ma opportunity no so be prepare wo case ni yi the problem I wo ye committee no and I am very frustrated in terms of me kasa wo say I very animated a very simple thing Nima bebree wɔ hɔ a yɛnim sɛ ɛnyɛ the right thing. Okay? So wonim sɛ yɛka sɛ monkɔ DNA na mobɛyɛ a absolutely no worries. Monkɔ na monkɔyɛ deɛ wopɛ sɛ woyɛ biara. Ɛnyɛ normal sɛ woayɛ application on a parent route yɛbɛka sɛ Bryant ɛnyɛ normal. Enti yɛfrɛ wo pɛ ɛwɔ sɛ wohu sɛ akwara no passport no mpɛ sɛ ɔmogye firi wo nsɛm. Ɔmogye firi ne nsɛm a ɔba no nyɛ British bio. O may refuse your application. You refuse your application now because of banning your British now. We are on your qualified child no. We need right of appeal. Now you certify or claim no. And yes, me bo hu. But me chere say we prepare na we be use our suspicion ni free. Enti for now no, omun bisa o de. Bibi e chere say akola na wo gina ne so no. Ne papa no wo wabra bom. Onyem one no pictures. Red book na bi kro no de no call way. Ebia onyem no mauska owo e o mauska odaso mauska saa nneɛma no nyina ɔmo bisa o de gada ne nyina na bo decent professional letter na fa ka ho why
La me patrona birth certificate me fa me ba ne papa ni din hye so na me nya ne sa
pacho me focus ni hɔ koraa because ɛnyɛ ɔno na sɛm ne ɛka ɔno no nyame adom wobɛwo afa na afa wo ba nti you focus ni hɔ you focus mpacho you focused o focus ya o ba na de omo ye nyina hu de omo ye ba me I know wonim de omo ye omo nim say first child no ne papa nya ne papa okay now suspicion no o second child no wo de ne din hye so one fa ne din an hye so suspicion no ana say na wo ka no second one no nye papa no ba eni ti no mo ka kire say afa bra no omo nim de omo ye omo gi evidence against you ohima I've been in this business for so long say minim sometimes no minim de omo be answer na omo ye ma wo focus in free de wo keka no so ma wo focus on call back first one so say then na wo be ya ebe ma omo suspicion akọ forget about oba na wonyem no a good thing wo be wo afa oba but memma wo focus nko eno no nsesa hwe ade ebesesa bibi aye first child no ti wonim say issues wo ho a to one more that's all I'm prepared to say at this stage because aya ehame so we don't think beyond we be so ni obi wo ho a wo de wanya nyansa ka se papa no mma because only duty be as obeko interview only duty into the work can you correct but it doesn't change the fact that almost suspect say nyane ba oko wanko the person omo ye no mbe into wona se sia no actively we be evidence edi a confirm and ayi sa doubt in free and evidence ni bi na mabobo so no there are other things I can't say here but all I can say is say almost suspicion because enye normal say we be apply say we gina wo ba ya British so ye be cast for interview enye normal.
Well, I think say Uncle Ben, you near by some crampo do be him was sub office because in some no Oh, and the end of modern office, why? Also, on come area, still now, you bring him one thing. Yeah, office, why?
That's
Yeah,
you.
that's a power. My uncle must fire, no color. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
OPD, good morning.
Yeah, Black person, what is it?
Oba de adumo yankopon kitaye mu kakra na wo so e.
Yeah, me ado kitaye mu tsere wo kan ya okitaye mu pa. E na wapeja wo voice no so ama na ja lawyer to nka wada wo ma why.
Matese.
Mo yankopon shiro fa.
De abakakra.
Ya emu da fa ho sa pe ebo room ne yanko why.
All right. Good na mi room na me chia OPD wan kasa ate mi den chia kesen so ma lawyer Bernard Owusu. Me de na me ka say Mr. Owusu de wakoye Abraham awoye bre so te se ododo agya. Hwese na wanya abotre kra ni nipa otwatwe kasa yi a hwe nhyehye a waye sankono nko ani yi di mu a anka ebi anka ombre no ho sa nanso nipa doma ya bedu wo hanom a ye ho kyere yen ene kwan ya befa so benya asetena tena mu nti wanya opese ode cheche tisi be mayin na etimenya kwan afa so a betoto ye nema emi kan nyina ne se Yakopon koso mana hoden titru ni team ono mu ye adwuma ne anije ne opepa owo so de beboa ye no yemu bi no no ma yenim fa enim benkum ye Yakopon ne wayi na ma ye so meboa ye nti e dem pa ebo ta na chi se bi biamu no Yakopon kan ono ma no kwatenten a wetim de aboa ye oye mi lawyer dada nti no me shada enkasa nkwati
okay.
That's it.
Yeah, I'm sure. Let's just say, I dance here, about body now, with my lawyer, Nanopi. You better say,
yeah. Lawyer,
okay. And you back as a back door, whatever, man. Okay. Yanko must yanko for next caller. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yeah, Black people, what to say?
What's on here?
Yeah, I say, but you wouldn't be okay for that.
Hello, yeah.
Yeah, but you ain't here why now? I don't generalize.
Mesia or Babia, Professor Mewarino, but I'm quite definite.
But what even can? Oh, voice in who phone, papa, warming tea. Yeah, I made them way, ain't you?
Into no, the person Mewarino, or the win or the buyer, or the care even or the buyer, into no. Now, I'm saying, or you depend on now. I'm invoke your license, no, my trauma letter. I'm saying some fear say 20, I think next month, 16th. Into no, yeah, me ya warranty, yeah, marriage certificate no Ghana. Date me Eunice, January. Yeah, date in January, but me apply for my naturalization. Now, me fill forms no, baby, on me say. My current marital status, me and a single. Me file a canon quaba, my possession put me in San Home office here. Now, person who say about affect marriage nana since I married certificate here, in January, no, about nana.
Well, I mean, first of all, all your naturalization, all your home office, okay? So date now with the application no so date no warrior so now okay when you fan call when you're single or you're married it's correct no aye
but what's the lawyer kind no okay in terms of the lawyer kind why okay
now once I made a call certificate no marriage certificate in January. Yeah, date just me January. Now, my application no March. Affecting na.
I affect a moody away. Oh, dear, now, banner, dear.
Affecting naturalization. I mean, yeah, because naturalization me process in March. Yeah.
But what's it then? About affecting no.
Marriage certificate na yeah no. Date me in January. Yeah, January 2026.
Okay, Matthew, okay, no, but what for say about affecting in what way?
Me, you can't say. na suggestion na me no me submitting January can say March ya.
Yeah. Now, until we submit to naturalization March, now what warrior? What was say ebe affected in what way? And I'm person me tia say no.
Okay. Okay, so Matthias.
Yeah, so we could try and throw there, and yeah, well, you know, but ideally, you know, we wouldn't try and throw because what won't say a problem.
No. I
think say utie ye kasa no radio so eno no mwa ya kwa wadawro manti.
Okay, mami yewe.
Enti yemfa we wi ana. Okay, yankwa ho wase yemfa next caller. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, OPD. Pacho hoye.
Nyame adobla pe na won so e.
Abdominal ye.
Lawyer bi tie wan pay fa ho se pena ho kaka. Fufu na wudi e fo bowura me yanko.
Mate no ko di fufu ampa. Anko bam pacho mjidi so hoye pa ya dawase wo dwumadia wo ye ma community nyame sra daddy. E pacho me ne me yere e ware wo yiyu ni 2020. Ana 2024 no aware no gu ye. Enti me wa aware no jaye no efiri Ghana wo nchen. Na mpacho tenancy agreement na be dey call efficacy am na jaye no. Me started from 2020, 2021, 22, 2024. Couple see jaye no. And I said me the tenancy agreement ba ko ekwa eye. And I memfa na me e ho no mo. Tenancy agreement me na enkwa na sese na ba ko nya. But that's it.
Okay, KK. Well, I mean, first of all, you retain writer, and on a KK can wasem no. Not just I was our chair near one, some worry at least 3 years about. 2, somewhat in the UK at least 1 year. 3, say why a divorce. 4, data why a divorce no na oba no UK. The near my mabobo so nyina a documentary evidence. Nti ohwe a wo de wo NI hyemo a ebeyi wo date number and ebe kyerɛ documents a wo sɛ wo de kɔ. But first of all, wobenya bibi for oba no ana mo mienu a kyerɛ date na wo ye divorce no. Saa date ɛfa sɛ wo ye divorce March 2024 a wobenya bibi a for March 2024. Tenancy agreement is helpful, but near my boy bebre, you be to say council tax, P60s, P45s, bank statements, utility bills, nessa animal. Ain't and yet the biana will show 5 years with documents because all your application you be so NI or NI no a betchere say now and or so on a reference number 3434 now. And nso di hyɛ mu a ɔmutimi hu sɛ na ɔwɔ ha na no nia enti so ɔmu hu ɔmbɛbisa but ɛyɛ mandatory sɛ date na woyɛ divorce no ɛwɔ sɛ wonya documents ɛkyerɛ sɛ saa date no na ɔwɔ kurom ha enti documentary evidence will be helpful. Why?
Uncle Patrol, me ba kurom ha no me wɔ GP a bibie no 2020 enti ɛna 26 no mintimi ɛnkɔ for settled status than retain no Patrol.
Okay, so 5 years in the count from data or the warrior.
2020, yes.
And you said 2020 or 2026, not 5 years number. And yet, I don't almost a show NI, date ya the NI no ma. So we are Juma, Ubunso, Omono, we have application, machine qua, not trace our dates, no. And who contribution, Ubunsa Becca date say, you document, date say. But a beja date now, documents. You know, I almost use AI and it's so interesting. To where EU applications are system na nkasa kyerɛw the omu and the omu. We say what talk time wunni omu wasetena no. It's machine in a better. To your application now. We need the following residential and a residence confirmation. Normal list years.
Mpacho, any uncle and that's it Israel.
That's okay.
I mean, Shira was a black painting, not just say, and one, you back say Chiro. Why? You back say Chiro. Okay, I will call my scholar. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, OPD.
Yeah, black painting, what to say?
But I'm saying my issue to present me into my time baby.
Bunim, who issue no, Mr. Sanka, we for office won. Now only Uncle Ben Marcasa or almost a higher way video so until same way be an Ogo Kana and Wakopa. Why? Because a confidential Kakawada woman na Yanisa, one name, why? The ministry of Pastor Watimasi, the ministry. All right, young corner, young for next caller. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
About before I know back as I'm but me the kitchen go ha. WhatsApp for no be voice message about me you am call WhatsApp no so ya ko see voice message no kakra ho na afi no ma san ba phone light no so nti obapa yankopon show so wotumi nya so ma bodi no be because free.
Me patrol me do bapa me ka say free store.
Ye yakọ ya osem ye mkodi so for me bo obapa say o de obapa so ampa. Okay, anke be ti o wadawma me ti.
Good morning. Me patrol me da bus 250 na so na me hear me last one no I think say me dey go to September. Up to now me san cry. Me san cry until me name say dia bibi na esi na bibi me name ntia. And secondly so omo ma me kweku man kweku me emra me nya 5 years no because of me banning tea. Esa me person me feel so omo ma me dying so me say they affected dying on the man me na say me okay me patrol.
Patrol, I bet the first time omo ma 2.5 years.
Omo ma me 2018.
2018.
Me patrol.
Next 2 years now be indefinite leave.
Me patrol.
Okay. And I also the call how many months in it?
Me the call September no. First September na me the 2 for the last month.
Okay. O ye fee waiver na.
There be money fee waiver no.
UTI.
Me patrol.
Yeah. So applications no omuni service standards by your experience they say it 6 months to 1 year. Hopefully no would in the 1 year because what they call September yeah well March into just about 6 months. Ubet me atro a pusuma here. Why?
Me patrol. If I try me track because my sister also quite want to make Red Book no from now on.
Car will be da. So would you kwa wouldn't mean Red Book?
Okay.
Me car will be and mean cancel that. Yeah, me car and say statement Shabana Mahmood, our Home Secretary, or kind of 5th of March 2026. On white paper, May 2025. Statement of changes, November 2025. NSA. The entire omopeso umuyi 5 years, ediko 10 years NSA. Unya indefinite, ebie kwan ma ama ukwaji kweku. Enti 1% nkrofo wakwaji kweku ebe cost you 10 billion over the lifetime. O year free 5 years, ako 10 years. My advice say obi eji kweku na saa ade no eba ana aba ye adwuma ba wutie mi video ni yi a si na mmom ye obi mu a omuntimi ngyaeje because of yare ana nkola ti ohima obabi nti e wo se unya income na de support wa ankasa anka oban se mi free so ohima tena wa de so because we mu wadi 10 years that into o problem ne say
Me patrol. Me patrol me 2018 I'm the man January from Wow office.
That's correct.
January no. Me try to pay some of the baby na come the account. I think say me qualify from November na come the call because the day was January 2028.
That's correct.
Yeah no. Okay. Me
2027 November December obetimi the indefinite na too. Why?
Me patrol. Me
Kosoje no why adwuma.
Me da. Thank you.
Another no hoye.
Me patrol ne hoye.
Okay. Yo, Michi Abema no why?
Patrol you na me show.
That's okay.
Me suffer rich more than catch na me friend.
No pekra me won't text me, yeah. Bye bye.
Okay, yeah, you better see, you know about something there. No, I'm call, okay, so, my main audio way now, you know, na yinti, no, so no dia, or the MI or, Leslie.
Good morning, lawyer. I hope say so adumo ye pa. Menso obano mimi ukumi adada ba mini enoma. Na obano na meye skill worker nurse man nti oni okunu ene bae. Nti obae na awo ba mu. Nti awo ba mu saa no. Na lawyer ka say passport no. Metime gyina ne certificate no de ayɛ na de ayɛ 2.5 ni bia na medas.
Look, already obi voice notes or the buy no until so wo bibi kan ho a na yenti say bibi aso no ne.
O say awo abama. O say birth certificate ayɛ den.
Mama just minute na me for young pick we na fi no me yan dey no adwuma. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, but you did be person fi wada ma. Mpacho eya mamuntie yin free radio no so muntie yin free mu phone no so cause ye no mo kasa free phone so wutie yin free radio no so a ebeye mistake I say radio no delay nti wan hwe ne ya obakasa wutie radio no so respond to na ye be kasa obegina so a kakra answer radio no so be respond to answer wa nti esa na e delay won nti yesra mo what say ya pick wa na wodum radio and asa wo da twe ho free radio no ne no kasa phone so wi a wotumi ayɛ fast na wakotie wo ho back deɛ wa wokan nyina wotumi akɔkotie because radio no ɛbɛdele nti ɛbɛbɔ wo a wo nsɛm na wɔka na ɛbɛbɔ late deɛ ama nti ne sɛ na monhyɛ no sɛ mfa ma me why good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Pacha wodin baabi ɔkasɛ fo adaroma.
Yeah, Pacha me question hello.
Wotimi nka.
Yeah, me too.
Wodin baabi ɔkasɛ fo adaroma.
Alaji FM
Alaji Pacha ya na wapɛgya wo nzema mamwai na.
Okay.
Voice so full. Yeah.
Me person bisa about long residence. Say only GP letter bia say 1 to 20 years wa. A witness ben I would bet me approve now or application.
Ohene yeah long residence. I will say we prove afibia of 20 years now. Ade a yɛde prove ɛyɛ GP letters, bank statements, pay slips, P60s, P45s, utility bill, gas, water, electricity. And yɛde
Now only bank statement.
Ɔhene ɔmo de mfa ɔmo ho wo na wo so watena ha 20 years. Ti wo na wo sɛ wo prove. Ɛwɔ sɛ wo pɛ documents na wo de prove. Unfortunately no obi twerɛtwerɛ letters ma wo for 20 years a ɛnyɛ adwuma. Minhu obi a watena kurom ha for 20 years a ɔne GP da. Minhu bi da ɛnyɛ possible. Ti sɛ wo so watena ha a wowɔ passport a wode baeɛ a fine ɛno na a start date no. But every single year, I will say we need BB a chess and out here. Woko kasa wo no uni paper nti wanya adwuma amo inform na chess wo person mo refuse you. Nti I was so me when in our documents. Why?
Okay.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
All right. For next call. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacha o voice of phone power adaroma pagya mu kakra. Good morning.
Yeah.
Wodi ni bebe okase fe.
Pacha me kasa free na something.
Yeah, wo voice Pacha
me kasa free na something.
We be man na one my base ni pie won he. Nkofo gyina lie so bebe pa anti. Yeah, okay. Pacha yentie o loyalty o.
Pacha wa na mpese bi se me ni ya ware na ya ware ne de experience ni but menya me ankasa me nkrataa no nhwea 9 next year na menya January na menya 5 years. It me try think meye me kwakwa indefinitely. But your call no omo baby say the me na bi bia ye no me bi say that you twa ware no divorce no saa da no mefa oba no improve say ogokrom ha no ma na me call ye no oba no say no me sisi oni mi bi bia ye twetwe mu nti me ami ye nti mama ya my lawyer na I withdraw and me bi sank there like say goodness here na January na 5 years na no me kwa omu yin oba no bi bia
very difficult. I mean, first of all, sir, issue with my account, I can say, 30 minutes ago, na me address it. So, who the divorce require was such as a data, who divorce Obano, na Obano Okromoha. And the law, na case law, court say, and yet date now, we divorce, but data was starting process. And the I was say, Obano, our indefinite that ubetime at the aye next year person train ubetime the aye. Why?
and it's an person me chance and next year no let's make to me I train next year na me kwa na just omu yin oba no bi bia because anya dia me kwa menya mboa wa no na say me am ku me ku no
Ohene ofele application na you bisa say we EU no wa apply for settlement na also wa apply what in the reference show. Onu nti na yema wasetena no wagya no unya no still ya onu nti a. Che wo se unya sa reference no. Why?
but you the reference the number no the number no dia me me wo but no na me di share mu na ye ko bi sa say die je aware no divorce no buy no wo kroma
Minim lawyer ko a oyema but sa ne ma
Well, I
we
think.
I
Well, I think so. Yeah.
strategy and the open source train next year January. It's up to you. Why? Okay.
Okay. Okay, yeah. So and also be here say obe for lawyer na and also office na lawyer ntumi mbo na and also nya kama why. Na nyame ko yan show. We last call you na call Pamela wana fi yakochi the Pamela word man. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Pacho, on the medal say my friend Sakao. Pacho,
Nyabutre.
Okay. Okay.
So be anta also die.
The
Nyabutre na for question the man to be why because I say do you will be media and should you na question I would be but I could say before follow.
No question.
Into Nyabutre.
Pacho, nyina ne say my sister bi na wo ko fa na ba no bra ko de ne ba no na me sister no wo kunu ewo baba abema ya abema no fa no 16 se na kwa no 17 May yam na papa no ekwaje ekrom he book no na wase say wotumi kwaje wiye na akwa no nti betumi agina so aje ha book no abra ya enya ne ba no mu akwa no mo depende enemy sister no na me fa say papa no di book na akwa no betumi agina so so ade book no bia na
Ohene okasa no wa join no minhu ne ne tine ne nai. O se o sister wo kumu ha. O sister wo kumu ha.
Mr. no ha.
Okay. Ana nikun akofa ne o sister baba.
Daddy, ana wade me sister na ba. Ene
ana o sister na ba.
Ano ene me sister na ba. Enti me fa say akwa depend me sister no.
Okay, enti den na pese wo mu.
Me fa say me hu say papa no de enye kom ha book na. Akwa so qualify say on the na so enye book na na.
Akola no we indefinite stay.
That be the kuta your mama and webina what the man.
Mpacho, obi a yam wono wa ha, oni indefinite stay a, ontime nya British. Why?
Patrick Mate. That's
Sakola yam wono krom ha na oni indefinite a, ontime nya British.
okay. Patrick Mate. But that's the problem. That's it.
So what is the mother amo?
Patrick, I more than
what's yes. You be shit why? You be shit. Okay. Hana the phone lines in your base. I think say you be calling Pamela Aqua na or the portal cast no their brain enough, you know. If you want your bank be on your budget the last of machine after the made in your baby sans and brand copper. The next show no so about take over na just say Uncle Joe I crowd on na pamfo I crowd baby take over na the ones so that so meeting Eddie Nanato to Jago OP the second higher rainbow 92.4 FM also live on DAB plus until my menko na many Pamela and Koshena young so the podcast and brain and if you want to so Pamela, let's hear from you.
Good morning, OPD. Good morning, Mr. Wusu. Good morning to all our lovely viewers. Today, our topic is on when is a genuine and subsisting relationship required under the immigration rules. So, when you are making an application and it involves your partner, there is something which is known as a sham marriage or a marriage of convenience. If the Home Office suspects you are in one of these marriages, your application can be refused. So usually when people are switching from student visa to a graduate route visa or maybe even a skilled worker visa and they're extending it with their partners, a lot of times you realize that they don't have the same address. So one person can be living in, let's say, Manchester, the other person can be living in Birmingham. Something like this could raise suspicion because if you are in a genuine marriage or a genuine and subsisting relationship, why is one person living in one place and one person living in another place? Yes, you can be working at two different locations. However, it is important that your addresses pass one place. So the Home Office will look at documentary evidence that they've gathered, personal statements and supporting letters, and then some of the answers you've given on your form, your application form, or even a previous application form. So as I was saying, if your addresses are different, it can raise suspicion. So it's important that you have, let's say, the same GP. Your GP is at one place. So if you get married, it's important that you and your partner move to the same GP so that if you are submitting your application documents, you can have your GP saying that so so and so and so so and so attend this same GP. It's also important that your bank statement should pass the same address. So you can have a joint bank account. If you don't have a joint bank account and you have separate bank accounts, then your individual account should pass the same address. If you also have a tenancy agreement under both of your names, it's very helpful. But if you are a lodger, you can get your landlord to write a letter for you saying that you and your partner are lodgers in this address and so you do not pay any rent. That is also very helpful. If you have almost all these things passing the same address, it is going to be more likely than not that your application will be refused on the suspicion of a sham marriage or a marriage of convenience. Also, if you are working somewhere else and your family home is somewhere else with your partner, please change your pay slips to your family home. It doesn't matter that you are working somewhere else or in a different city. The reason they ask for your address is for postal purposes. So if you are working in Birmingham but your family home is in Manchester, please give your Manchester address to your employer for immigration purposes. If the Home Office too has a suspicion, they have to tell you why they suspect that your marriage is a marriage of convenience or a sham marriage, and they also have to tell you the law that they are standing on to suspect that your marriage is one of convenience or it's a sham marriage. If you followed all the steps, like all the things, and you have proven that you are not in a marriage of convenience or a sham marriage, it is up to them now to prove that your relationship is one of convenience or is a sham marriage. And there is a case of NAS, which in which the judge said it is reasonable that if someone says that they are in a genuine relationship, then they'll have to prove supporting an affectionate relationship. So how you can do that is by providing your evidence of contact, the emotional support, the welfare and well-being, and affection and abiding interest in each other. So how you can do this is by documenting your life. Let's say your partner has bought you things for Mother's Day, International Women's Day, whatever. Do you have proof of it? Is it on your bank statement that yes, the person bought you flowers, the person took you out for dinner? You can have pictures, you can have, proof of everything that has been done so that it shows that yes, you are in a genuine and subsisting relationship. You have to show the affection and the companionship by documenting your life. You can use that to prove that you are in a genuine relationship. And if you are also making an extension application, when you were first making your application, maybe granted you were not living together, but if let's say a year has passed, a year, 2 years, what have you done? Your anniversary, what's the proof that maybe you've done something? Did you go out? Do you have proof of it? Did your partner buy you flowers or did you buy your partner flowers? Where's the proof of that? That all helps to show that you are in a genuine and subsisting relationship. So please, it's important to remember this, that for the purposes of immigration, if you are going to put in your application, let's say you're switching from a graduate route to a partner route, or even to, no, sorry, from a student visa to a graduate route visa, or even a partner route visa, any visa you are switching from, whether it's skilled worker, whether it's student visa, whether it's graduate route to a partner visa, or any visa with a partner, please have the same address, have the same GP. If you can, have the same joint account. If you cannot, to let your individual account pass one address. If you are working, let your pay slips also be at the same address. You should have a tenancy agreement which have both your names as tenants. If you don't, please let your landlord write a letter saying that both of you live at the same address as lodgers. So maybe you are not paying rent. You also should document your life, as this will help prove that you are in a genuine and subsisting relationship. Once again, remember that if you have done all this to prove that your relationship is genuine and not one of convenience or a sham marriage, then the burden shifts onto the Home Office to prove why they believe that your marriage is, or your relationship is, not genuine or is a sham one. Thank you very much. I hope this helps all of us. Have a nice day.
Okay, so thank you so much, Pamela. Na yanko Uncle Ben wana fi yanko wiye na fi no my advert bank makumenu bi na fi no my source na Uncle Joe na pam for so aba take over our studio so hanti Uncle Ben my member of na fi yen wiye yen source na yanfa dia kan so ma yen nuan no so mo so meto aso Uncle Ben maminti
Okay, interne asema ya kano ebe border tofa. First of all, ye hu say especially omo ye students, omo de omo ye anamukum mo ewa ha. Ana omo wo skilled graduate route, omo ko skilled route. Ye hu say dodo na omo a the information ma home office ma ye refuse wo. Ko omo your application na omo the two different addresses eguso. Munjai sa de na ye. Two, because of genuine and subsisting relationship requirement, my advice is mo start ewura kromo hana na mo gather evidence kyerɛ sɛ mo ti bom, mo yɛ nneɛma bom, mo wɔ affection, mo wɔ devotion, ne nyinaa ne companionship. Then na wobɛyɛ same address on bank statement, on pay slips, on P60s, same GP and the same address. Utility bills, tenancy agreement, sɛ mowɔ bia, mo dodoɔ na mokɔtena nkurɔfoɔ fie, mokɔ high rooms, ti ebi a woni utility, woni tenancy. Ma fie ra no ntwerɛ letter and confirm sɛ mote hɔ. Finally, mowɔ anniversary, kɔ moware date bi. Saa date in every year biara ɛba once a year. Then na moyɛɛ. Mo gather pictures, wotɔ flowers, mokɔ out, woyɛ wo story, enti woyɛ narrative about, I don't know. Every year biara Valentine's Day, Ghana for friend a chocolate day. Then every year biara more 2 birthdays. Wo birthday, Anna or partner's birthday. Then mo share any flowers and our gifts and our BB. Ni nyinaa wo disca na eto. I cash purchases. Most of the purchases are by card, and Apple Pay, and contact pay. Today, you know, bank statements or receipts. Your deliberate effort, put in much effort. Na for gather sa evidence when you know. Na basa way your application and got to chuma. The final advice, says, oh yes, I did so. Mummy and no, mo say even back an application jabakwa, and send a second one be an application. Onje copy of the first person or Now on your show say bibia or can or no so echo repeat the same thing. Now a very easy and money problem. Tiano pay way and the bijamo.
Okay, and a pay way and a yedi bejam when I just say Uncle Ben I would say and cano BWF solicitors and a pay the mudi have film now me Jimmy Sawa if you end up course in ya and then to pick a course in ya was to send for one some enti masraw from and a pay now no want to chunk come and say I am from so the age man from the time so and so now office the offer which mean more time no market no aka want some area chairman send you want to come radio so no office the which me aka na no so to me abo from 020 849373 40 84937340 eno an office line did juma emergency line obetumi afre 077 1276 1884 077 1276 1884 eno emergency line friend and pay ya beje osu no what to nkom bombodi na hwehwe yi ne kira kwan ewo 4th floor Annan House 4th floor Annan House 214/218 High Road 214/218 High Road 7 Sisters yani postcode yedi juma N15 4NP N15 4NP and the postcode and the pay is all drive here ubetimi dia ade driver de locate and we go drive no so no na we did allocate and na bibia so tumi akamenti and a person me din kan but mo de na block office oba between ye be hwe ye be boa mo tumi agina na so say esu na we de baya we de ani JBP e de akọ na bibia so etumi akamenti and pay aha na ye de dwumadi ni ye si na ye akọ na afi no Yama and Joe and then a pam for Sabatina no more did your moon so area Ben Rainbow 90.4 FM. Tiene and Kibemo Bedin Krana film my studio Hana Yane studio for Sabah Bedin Cranty. BWF solicitors. Uncle Ben, only with me for in and pay Yedin Kranes you give us in share. Now you did your honso so area my powerful. Until you know Moody and Crab.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specializing in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner, with over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, 7 Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340 or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.